guys, welcome to my channel. And so for today's video, my husband and I, this is for my husband only challenge. So he gonna try a Filipino snack. Yay! So yeah, so I think two of these in here he already tried, so it's challenging for him. So let's start. Which one do you wanna do first?
You choose.
You choose? I never had this one. Ano yun? It's this one. I never had this. So this one is Snaku. Hindi ko pa to na-try before. So you have to rate 1 to 10, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
Cleans my palate.
Oh, sige. Challenge mo pala to, baby.
It's green. It's like a worm.
Snow peas. I don't know. Giraffe. So you have to rate 1 to 10, ha? Ah, you like it? It's not cool.
Not bad.
Hindi ko pa to na-try before. I haven't tried this one before. So ano to? Made of rice crackers. Rice crackers and vegetable flavor. So yeah, rate 1 to 10.
It's good.
No, you have to rate 1 to 10. Not good, not good, not good. Rate 1 to 10. You keep you keep trying, so meaning it's masarap. He
I give it
understand masarap. 8?
I give it
8 lang. You said it's good, but why it's only 8?
8. Well, 8 is good.
Ah, sige, 8 lang.
I think above 5.
I hope yung above 5 because you like it. Okay. That's... Okay, next. Next one is... Chippy! Chippy. Barbecue flavor. Ayan. So, you never tried this one before. You haven't tried this one before. You only tried Oishi.
Looks like the corn chips.
Oh, corn chips. Oh, sige. Try mo. Wait, 1 to 10 ah. This is, barbecue flavor. Guys, hindi ako kumakain ng dulo. More. Sarap. Oh.
Not a lot of flavor.
It's barbecue.
Man,
It's very tasty.
it's not bad. I give it a 5.
5 lang.
No, there's not a lot of flavor.
Is it? Sarap ko yo.
But, yeah, it's not bad.
Parang ang ending nito, ako ang kakain lahat. Because, guys, all of this I sanitize already. Ewan kayong ano. So, next is cheese ring. Ayan, cheese ring. So, yun. Parang bagong label to. I don't know. So, yun. So, you know what's the flavor na from the cheese. Ayan. Cheese ring. Before we have to do this. Right, guys? Sino naka-remember? Ginagano namin to, What can you say?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay? Ano ba yan?
I wouldn't like.
This is one of my favorite.
I don't care for it.
As you can see, I keep eating.
It's all yours.
You don't like it?
Yeah, it's not bad, but I wouldn't like seek that out.
Okay, rate 1 to 10.
5.
Oh, man! This is my favorite, and then you rate only 5. My goodness. Oh. So, meron ng mga iba-ibang flavor ang boy bawang. So, hindi ko pa to na-try before. Actually, dalawa to sila. Tatlo pala. So, boy bawang. So, one is hot garlic flavor and second is chili cheese flavor and regular is garlic flavor. My husband like garlicky. I like spicy. We like spicy. So, which one do you wanna try?
Go with the,
Spicy?
yeah, because that one sounds interesting.
Oo, mga bagong labas to. So, yeah, try.
It's like corn nuts.
So, boy bawang. Sarap. Ayaw mo, Filipino talaga nung karagina ganon. I thought it's spicy. I think we got the wrong one. It's red, but why it's not red? Is it spicy at all?
No,
No?
not spicy.
I think hindi nila nalagyan ng kulay. Ay, ng chili. Hindi spicy. Magreklamo nga ako. Like it? I like very crunchy.
It's okay.
Hindi siya spicy. Because we like spicy. No?
Yeah.
Hindi spicy, no?
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's more garlicky.
Garlicky. Yeah, that's why it's boy bawang. You know bawang means garlic. Okay, what rate 1 to 10?
Okay.
Ayos ka.
5, I guess.
5? Ano ba yan?
It's not bad, but I wouldn't seek that out.
Okay.
So far, the snacku's been the best one.
Snacku. Oh, really? Seriously, I haven't tried that one before. The
Yeah, it's
snack.
more savory, like it had more flavor.
Oh yeah, it's flavory. Okay, this one next is boy bawang again, but it's garlic. May boy bawang na, may garlic pa.
Yeah, it's probably gonna taste like the last one.
Boy bawang na, may garlic pa. I like boy bawang. Lalo na yung cheese. Ito, this is my favorite. What's the verdict?
It's better than that last one.
It's better than last.
Yeah.
Tinatry kong hindi mag-ano-ano ng buhok. Lagi kong
So I give this one a 7.
7. Oh, not bad. Yay! 7 siya! Good job! So, next is my favorite. Cheese. 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 Cheese lang. Oh, this is my favorite. Cheese. Ayan na, baby. This is my favorite. You have to be nice. Oh my god. What's the face? Ano yun? Maayos ka. This is my favorite. You don't like it?
No.
Ano yan siya?
Less than 5.
So 4.5.
Like
3?
maybe.
Oh my
I'll
god.
give it a 4.
O sige. 4 daw, guys.
Not as bad as 3, but I'll give it a 4.
Oy, 3 is bad, no? So, my favorite, and then he rated to 3 lang. So mean. And then, I call this UTI. So, guys, a little trivia.
Don't go TMI on him.
A little trivia. TMI nga lang. I always eat this one because I like it. So, when I was in high school, I always eat this one. Pag recess na, this one. I have this one already. But, this one is very salty and it's vinegary. So, pag kumakain ako nito, maybe kakain ako ng dalawa nito. Magkaka-UTI ako. Magkaka-UTI ako, guys. Kaya, Mabuti hindi ko na siya masyadong hinahanap-hanap. Pero ngayon, meron siya. Ako lang uubos nito. O sige, so this is cracklings. Okay. You know this already, right?
I think so.
Yeah, you know this already. Lang season. Dati ginaganon lang to eh. Ngayon, hindi pwede eh. Temptation.
Remember these.
Oh yeah, those are cracklings. They give me one because my hands is dirty. Wow. Uy, paborito ko po.
Yeah, it's like 3.
Ay! Ano ba yan, baby? All of my favorite, you rated on very, very, very low. Ano ba yan? 3 lang, guys. Hindi niya like kasi ayaw niya ng vinegar. He don't like vinegar. So, it's okay. Okay lang. Oh. So, next is cheese curl. Ayan siya. Oh. Basta, yun na yun.
Cheese curls.
Cheese curl. Aish. Oh. Rate 1 to 10 ah. Ano? What's the verdict? Lagi ko talagang ginagalaw yung buhok ko. Pero mas gusto ko ganyan. Ano na? You like it? You keep
Oh, there's
no flavor.
it's just there's nothing.
There's nothing. It's like a what's this? It's cheese.
It's like
Cheese curls. What?
the aftertaste tastes like macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese talaga? Hindi nga. Guys,
wouldn't say
madumi
it's
yung
good.
kamay ko.
That's not a compliment.
Oh, give me one. My hand is dirty. I've been ano.
Like it's nothing but air. There's no
Yung
taste.
ano.
And then when you're done chewing it, it tastes like macaroni and cheese. I don't like
Yung
it.
ano. I-rate ko to. I-rate 3. Yeah, 3. Ako 2. Kasi there's no flavor. Kasi mahilig ako sa maalat. So, no, there's no flavor, no. Yeah, there's no flavor. Ewan ko, para lang siyang hangin. Okay, so next is chippy. Yan, chippy. And siya. Ano, chili and cheese. Ay, same lang ba sila? May chippy na ba? Oh, you know the other one? It's barbecue flavored and this one is cheese. So they're the same but different flavor. Ang dami ko nitong snacks. Kasi yun lang yata ang nagustuhan niya eh. What's the verdict? Which one is better? Yun or ito? Ha? Ha?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi naman nagustuhan. Don't like it?
No. Don't
No.
care for it.
I like it. I think
Give it
I'm
a-
gonna eat all of this
give it a
except
3.
ito. Uy, 3 lang? Ano ba yan? 3 lang? 5 mo! Mama kaawa, no? 5. Parang akong china-challenge, 3 lang talaga. Sige, no? 3 lang. Okay, 3 lang daw, guys. 3 lang. Okay. So, next is this one. Oh, next one is Nova. And then this one is barbecue flavor. I like the cheese one, but they don't have it. This is one of my favorite too, but not the barbecue. I like the cheese.
Looks like sun chips.
Ish, ang mukha guys, di mapinta. What happened to your face? Ano? What's the rate? Oh, give me one.
I don't like it.
Wow. I like the cheese one, not the barbecue one. Okay guys, next is, baby, be careful of this one because this is my favorite.
Ready?
Sweet corn. Ayan, sweet corn guys. Paborito ko to. Sweet corn. Be careful lah, may gunting dito. Ayan. Yum.
Like little balls.
Yeah, balls. Give me. Dirty nga yung kamay ko. Kasi umawak ako. Kahit na nasa ta. Hap. Be nice. Ano? Rate 1 to 10.
It's different.
Yeah, it's different because it's sweet corn. Favorite ko to guys, sweet corn. Marami yata tong MSG. May MSG ba to? Hindi ko alam. So yun, rate 1 to 10.
5.
Ay! Again. Ano lang? 3 lang? Did you say 3?
5.
Oh, 5. Okay,
It
not
tastes
bad.
like cream corn.
Cream corn.
That's what it tastes like.
You like corn? How come you didn't like this?
Yeah, it tastes
Okay.
just like cream corn from the can.
Okay. Huwag nating pilitin. Okay, so the last one is Wishy. Den, 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 den. This is spicy. He already tried this one. I think so. I think you already tried this one. So guys, his favorite is Nagaraya. The spicy one. Hot and spicy. But they don't have it there. Sold out. Oh yeah, the smell is so amazing. The smell is amazing. Oh, you like this one, no? Taka ka lang dyan. Hoy, you like this? You eat the whole bag of this. You can eat this. Hoy. Favorite ka to, Oishi. Ang
Tastes like it smells.
Ta-da!
Oh,
Hoy, baby, you eat this before. Taka ka lang. Eat more. Eat more!
nope. That's a 1.
What? One lang? Oh my goodness. One lang. Paborito ko to eh.
Oh.
So yun guys. One lang daw. Ang mean. Okay guys. So which one is your favorite among the rest? Among the best?
I need to get that flavor out of my mouth.
So mas gusto niya to sa lahat. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, out of 12, this one is the winner! Tararan, tararan! Winner! Meron kang 1 billion. Okay. So, guys, so this is the winner. And he liked this one. You rate 8?
Yeah.
Did you rate 8? Yeah, so this one is 8. He rated for 8. So that's it for today, guys. So thank you, husband. Guys, my husband is very supportive because we went to the Asian store and then we drove Drove ba? We drove 40 minutes going there. And yeah, thank you, baby. Thank you. You're so nice. You're so nice and very supportive on my YouTube. So thank you. I love you. So guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe and like, and yun lang. Bye guys. Bye baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye. Bye, wave mo. Bye.